Hey guys, this is HappyHill's Cars and Stuff, and today we are replacing fuel injectors in my 2006 F150. So the reason why I'm replacing my fuel injectors is one, they're old. Two, I've been having a misfire, and I've already replaced the spark plugs and the coils a few months back. So I do not believe that is the issue, but we are going to check the spark plugs and coils, just clean them up, just to make sure. Right now, I have the airbox and the air intake tube out. That's a pretty easy process. I'll show you guys how to put it, or basically how to take it out after I'm putting it back in. It's pretty easy. You just take 4 studs out, remove it from there after you remove the tubing. And you replace this, this bolt right here. I'll show you that after I'm putting it back on, what all you have to do to take them off. But for now, this air tubing is from the airbox itself. This is the connector for the throttle body. So to remove this, you just pull up on this red tab. It's going to be facing down like this. This red tab is going to be down here. You just lift it up, press on this little black tab right here, pull this off. Move it out of the way. This connects to the airbox itself. It just slides onto it. I'll show you that when I'm installing it after we're done with the fuel injectors. And this is from this airbox, correction, the intake manifold right here. Just remove this tubing, move it out of the way, and be able to get to the fuel injectors faster. I know I'm making this a little bit late in the process, but it was easier to do it after I removed the airbox. So here we go. Next, we're going to be removing this cable. We're going to take this off. Learning how to guesstimate these sizes. So, I have the PV blaster just in case something like that does not want to come loose. Spray some of that on. The other ones, let it soak in. Break this one. Alright, good. Good. Okay, so now that we have all of these loose, before we take them off, we're going to disconnect all of the injectors themselves. Fuel injector leads are tan or cream colored, so easy way to differentiate them. So take these the rest of the way off. But what we're going to take this off. This cap. Pop it off. Alright, like that. And then I have these tools for getting the fuel lines off. buy this at AutoZone, really any auto parts store. So taking them off. I think this is the right one. So, figured out that we need to take this grounding off, this grounding strap. So, I am now removing more cables. Apparently that's what I need to do. Making me get all up in here again. There we go. Alright. So that one, it's a little bit tricky. Because it's right under here. You can't just reach your finger in and press the f***ing cap. So, let's see. Alright guys, now we are going to be installing the injectors. So for me, my O-ring broke on this right here, the fuel port, so I had to go and grab a new one, so now I'm back at it. So what I gotta do with this right now, I'm cleaning it up. There's gonna be some fuel left over, so just make sure that doesn't spill anywhere. All you gotta do is pop off these clips. And make sure you line them up the same way when you're putting the new ones in, so you can line up the cables in right. Alright, just clean up around the area a little bit. And I take, and for me, I dump out a bit of the gasoline from this line right here, from the fuel line. Just kind of keep it in a bottle, because what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take this in right here. You're going to want to put fuel around the O-ring. Just kind of lube it up. And place it back in. You're good to go. Now we're going to do these for the rest of them. Alright guys, so we're done installing the new fuel injectors. As you can see, these are kind of worn. They're just old, so good thing we replaced them. But yeah, make sure you put on the clips after you're done installing the fuel injectors. Just pop them on. It's pretty easy. And then we'll get to the installation of the fuel rack again. Alright guys, we're back. So, ended up figuring it out, and all it was just really stuck on there. Not this thing, where's that? Right here. So, all you had to do is press in this little tab right here, this plastic tab, and then pull it off, but mine was just really stuck on there, so I had to yank it out. Got that. Like I said, with this sensor right here, this port, the O-ring on there had kind of broken off because of the wear and tear and just being old. So got a new one of those, put it on, and you just saw me put the fuel injectors on. So now this is going to be easy now that this right here is moved out of the way to just slide this back in. So let's do that. Here. See this little clip? I'm gonna put this air tube right there. And now we're going to reattach all of the injector cables. Hey guys, so my camera died while I was recording this, but all you gotta do, it's really easy. So this vacuum line right here that we had off, we're gonna go through steps. So this line was taken off. This little bracket, like I was saying earlier, it just slides off and slides back onto it. You have the big connector cable right down here. All you do is you slip that on. You can slip it on anytime, even before you put this back on. Just slip the, after you put it on, just put the red clip down and you're good to go. Make sure you put the grounding strap back on as well. And then all you do with this, guys, is you just put this part of the airbox onto the circular part onto the throttle body. That's it. It just sits on top of it. You line the holes up with the studs, and you screw down the studs, tighten them down. Then you plug in the connector cable for the O2 sensor. Lock that down with the red tab. Come down here. This other bigger vacuum line, you put this back down on the manifold. You come down here and you plug the other connector cable down into the throttle body itself. Latch that down. That's the one that you could barely get to. I had to get pliers, pinch the clip, and pull it out that way. You just push that back in, push the red tab back in to lock it, and then plug this connector back into the fuel rail port, and really that's it, guys. And then if you look right here, you probably see, you can see this tubing. All you do is you take it, push it back into here, push this part into the hole, and it sits like that. Then down here, you got a bolt, you just tighten it down. After that, you're good, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like it. Leave your comments below as to what I did well, what I could do better. Anything helps. Be sure to check out any other of my content on my channel, and be sure to subscribe for more videos coming up soon. Thank you.